Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. um Today I just want to do a quick video on how I listen to my baby's heartbeat at home. Yeah. In the beginning, let's say the first and the second trimester, I was so worried about if the baby's heartbeat is, if she's still there, or because I couldn't really feel her, so I ordered the Fetal Doppler online from Amazon, and so I wanted to do a short video on how I can check her heartbeat at home so that I can be at peace, to make sure she's there and her heart is beating quite, just like, to make sure her heart is beating. And yeah, it keeps me, I don't know, expectant moms, we always feel more secure. So this is the monitor that I bought from Amazon. I don't know if you can see, it came in a little pinky thing. I'll leave the link down below on where I got it. And when I opened it, it was like this, like, I don't know if you can see that, like it came in this little box. Hope you can see that. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So I also ordered this gel from Amazon to use it with it. So I'm just gonna use the gel and this, and then record. It's very easy, quick and easy. So let me show you guys how I check the heartbeat I'll say, well, when the baby is moving. Now that the baby is moving, I'm not too worried, but when the baby wasn't moving, I was checking it all the time. But anyway, now that the baby is moving, I know she's there and she's fine. All right, let me show you guys how I do it. So here we are. So I just lay down in the bed like so. There's a gel, a little tissue. Let me put the camera down a little bit so you can see more. So I'm currently 35 weeks pregnant. Yay! That's my bum. Yeah, it's a big bum. At least it's showing now. It wasn't showing before. So 35 weeks, and that's my bum. So I'm gonna do the ultrasound, the heartbeat. Actually, it's battery operated. Like, it uses these two batteries. So I hope you guys can hear it from there. So what I do is I get the gel and I put it, like, she should be around here, I think. Before I put the gel, I have to turn this on first. And so what I do is I turn it on. It has an on button right there. So it's on now, and I put the gel like so. Oh, you can see her move, like right there. And then I use this, and I just go like, is reading 141. I don't know if you can hear it. Yes, guys, that's how I check her heartbeat. Make sure it's still going regularly. So I did this a lot when I was like few months pregnant, when I was like the first trimester and the second trimester. I did that a lot. Right now I can feel how move, so I really don't do it that much. But oh well, that's how I check her heartbeat at home. So thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, can't wait to have my little princess. So that's it for this video, guys. So that's how I've been checking her heartbeat. And yeah, it's so exciting because it's my first baby girl. And yeah, the good thing about this monitor is it has like it will tell you the heart rate, like it's between 160 and 120, so it's right there, so it tells you where exactly, you know, the normal rate, so you know if it's normal or everything is going well. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to somebody who is not patient enough to wait for the doctor's appointment every month, because waiting for the doctor appointment for 1 month before you go check the heartbeat was like nerve-wracking, I'm telling you. So I had to get this just to calm down my nerves. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. I'm gonna leave the link down below where you can get this heart monitor, and yeah, and the gel, so you can check your baby at home. You don't have to wait for 1 month appointment. And anywho, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, guys, bye.